till in previous I told about it till 4th sum I gave 5th as a homework, and now in exercise 1.1 6th question. So look at the board now. So lesson exercise 1.1 6th question. The same concept what we have taught earlier, how we have to make a Cartesian product, and here the only difference is union, and the set is not given directly, indirectly. And some of the things we have studied in the last year, you know about it. What is W, what is N? W belongs to whole numbers. W belongs to whole numbers, whereas N belongs to natural numbers. So already we know that the whole numbers is nothing but it should start with 0, 1 till end where you have estimated, and natural numbers should be start with N, that is N equal to 1, 2, 3 like that till the end where the condition is given. See now, X, where X belongs to W means whole number, this represent as a whole number. X should be less than 2. X should be less than 2. Then what are the number will come under that A set? X ஓட மதிப்பு வந்து 2 விட கம்மியா இருக்கும். So அப்ப இருக்கிறது 0, 1. After this the number is 2, 3 like that. But according to this condition, what they given, X should be less than 2. X என்ற number வந்து 2 விட கம்மியா இருக்கும். That is 0 and 1. Therefore A set is nothing but A equal to 0, 1. Next, B set. I told N belongs to natural number. It represents as a natural number, but see the condition what they are given. X should be greater than 1 and less than equal to 4. Less than equal to 4. X ஓட மதிப்பு 1 விட என்ன இருக்கணும், அதிகமா இருக்கணும், 4க்கு கம்மியா இருக்கலாம், ஈக்குவலா இருக்கலாம். So one of the condition is given, this symbol called as equal and this symbol called as less than. So X oda, the value of X should be greater than 1 and less than or equal to 4. Therefore B said we can represent, what is that, 2, because 1 should not return, more than 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is also you have to write. Why? Because it is given as a less than as well as equal. If this symbol is not given, you should not take 4 also. You should take only 2 and 3. Since in the question they are given less than equal symbol, less than avarkala alladu equal. Therefore 2, 3 and 4. 1 should not come. Why? Because X oda value greater than 1 and less than equal to 4. Idu arrange பண்ணிட்டோம்னா the sum will be as usual what we had done in the earlier sum. So only the difference between the previous sum and this sum, you have to form a set. You have to form a set. A should be perfectly, you have to take according to the condition, and B set should be taken according to the condition is given. So these are all, we will proceed as is in the previous sums. Okay, now take out that left hand side as well as right hand side. Now what is that left hand side? They are given A cross B union C. A cross B union C. First you have to finish what are the conditions given in the bracket. B union C. B union C. So what are the elements present in B now? 2, 3, 4. What are the elements present in C now? 3 and 5. Now B is nothing but 2, 3, 4 union C set 3 and 5. 3 and 5. So already we studied that how we have to write when the universal set is given. இங்கே யூனிவர்சல் செட் கொடுத்தாங்கன்னா எப்படி பண்ணணும்னு சொல்லிட்டு நம்ம ப்ரீவியஸாக லாஸ்ட் இயரும் படிச்சிருக்கோம், ப்ரீவியஸாகவும் படிச்சிருக்கோம். சரி, now 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the answer for all the elements should be come, but any element is repeated, you should not write again. 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there, but 3 again is repeated, you should not write, and 5. This is union. Now A cross B union C. A cross B union C. What is A set? Already we return 0, 1. 0, 1. That is A set. And what is B union C? So this is the answer what we have got. 2, 3, 4, 5. This answer, what the answer you will get, that should be written here. Afterwards, I told the Cartesian product in the previous class, A cross B union C. So what are the elements present here? That should be pair with all this. Here there is 2 elements, here there is 4 elements. Totally in the answer you should come at 8 pairs, because 2 into 4, 8. What are the 8 pairs? Now let us see. 0 with all these 4 number and 1 with all these 4 numbers. First I am writing that with 0. 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4 and 0, 5. First set of values. Now take out that 1 now. Second element. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5. So these 8 elements will come on that left hand side. So LHS we have proved. This is the answer for left hand side. A cross B union C. Now we move on to right side, that is RHS. So RHS. So what should be come first? A cross B union A cross C. First you have to find out A cross B. A cross B. This and all we have done in the previous class. A will be 0, 1 and B will be 2, 3 and 4. 2, 3 and 4. So already what we have done here, the same procedure you have to follow. 0 with all these 3 elements, 1 with all these 3 elements. So how we can write? First 0, 2 and 0, 3 and 0, 4. As usual, second element 1, 2, 1, 3 and 1, 4. So these 6 elements will come. Why? Because 2 3s are 6. Here there is 2 element, here there is 3 element, 2 3s are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now one half of them will be proved. Now you have to take the second half, A cross C. So A cross C is nothing but we have to take A set as well as C set. A 0, 1 and C will be 3, 5. 3, 5. Now we have to make a Cartesian product for these two things. So what will we get? 0 into these two and 1 into these two. 0, 3, 0, 5, 1, 3, 1, 5. So totally A cross C will get this. Now finally A cross B union A cross C. So you have to proceed A cross B union A cross C. So already I told that union means how we have written all the things here. In the same way, what are the element present here and what are the element present here? You should combine this and you have to write. So totally 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 elements are there, but you should not write the repeat elements. 0, 2, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, then 1, 2, 1, 3, then 1, 4, 1, 4. I have written all these elements which is present in first. When you take out the second one, see how you have to write. 0 comma 3 which is already wrote, no need to write. Okay, this will not possible to write. And 0 comma 5, 0 comma 5 is not written here, so that's why you have to write 0 comma 5. Then 1 comma 3, 1 comma 3 is already written, so no need to write this. Then 1 comma 5, 1 comma 5. So now check it, what are the element present here? The same thing will be followed. 0 comma 2 3 4 5, 0 comma 2 3 4 and 0 comma 5, like that. 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5, the terms will be proceed. So if you check what are the answer present here and the same answer here, then it is proved as a true. Left hand side equal to right hand side. So left hand side la irukkudiya element vandu right hand side la irukkudiya element same ah irundha, hence it is proved as a true. So this is one of the 5 mark. In that same sum you have 2 more sums. Sixth I have written only the first sum. Second one, based on the question what they gave, you proceed. And in third one, what the question is given, you have to put right hand side, left hand side. Only the difference how we have to write these things. Already I returned for first room letter, no need to return for second sum, third sum. Using this A set, B set and C set, you can proceed the second room letter and third room letter as a homework and practice. Do it as a homework and practice. Okay, you can proceed. Now last sum in the exercise, so that also have 2 room letter. I will do one of the room letter. Seventh one, verify the textbook. Let A equal to the set of all natural number less than 8. The question is given A equal to the set of all natural number less than 8. Already I told natural numbers means it should start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, but the condition is given less than 8. Less than 8 na 8 க்கு உள்ள இருக்கணும். Next B set. So B set equal to the set of all prime numbers less than 8. B என்ற செட் அவங்க வார்த்தையில கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. They given in the form of words. You have to form a set less than 8, but it is a prime number. Prime number will start from 2, 3, 5, 7. That's all. Till 8 they are given. And the C set, the set of even prime number. இதில் இருக்கக்கூடிய எப்பவுமே ஒரே ஒரு prime number தான் even prime number இருக்கும். எல்லா prime numberமே odd prime number தான், இதை தவிர்த்து. Just only 2 is the even prime number. So very important, you have to know that in 1 mark question also 2 is the even prime number. All other prime numbers are odd numbers. We have already studied in the previous classes. Recall that. So this is the prime number less than 8 and this is the natural number less than 8 and this is the only even prime number will be possible in C set. So these are all the clues given in the question. Now we have to follow the sums. I will do the first one. Balance you do the by seeing the textbook. A cross C intersection B cross C. Last sum, see the textbook page number 6. Okay. So last in that exercise, first as usual left hand side, what is that? LHS. So LHS means what they are given? A intersection B. A intersection B. The common element present in A and B. A and B. So these are all the things we are teaching in 9th standard itself, and beginning itself I recall that. So remember that A intersection B, what are the elements is common? 2 is common, 3 is common, 5 is common, 7 is common. So this is the answer for A intersection B. 2, 3, 5, 7. இந்த 4 நம்பர் ரெண்டுத்துலயுமே இருக்கு. So 1 is not here, 4 is not here, 6 is not here. You should not write 2, 3, 5, 7. So this is the answer for A intersection B. Now A intersection B cross C. So again you have to write this answer 2, 3, 5, 7 cross C. C set is what? 2. Now we have to write that C set. As usual, cross product this term with 2. Only one number is there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 into 1. 4 pairs only will get there. What are the pairs? 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, 2. So this is the answer for left hand side. So A intersection B you have to find out first. Then you have to make a cross product with C. So after getting the cross product, as usual previously, the same sum how you have done that, same method you have to follow. Now take out the right hand side. So RHS, that is right hand side. What is given first term? A cross C. A cross C. What is A set? You have to write all the things that given in that A. 1 to 7. 1 to 2 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 to 7. Cross C set is nothing but 2. Already we have it. Okay, A cross C. All the things you have to make a product. So what will we get? All the numbers with pair 2. So 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7, 2. So this is the answer for A cross C. Now B cross C. B cross C. B cross C means B and C you have to write. So B is nothing but 2, 3, 5, 7 and C is nothing but 2. Same way we have to proceed 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, 2. And last answer, what do you have to write? A cross C intersection B cross C. So check it in these two. In these two, which answer is same? Which are all the answer is same? You have to write it. 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, 2. 7, 2. So that's all. If you check that, left hand side equal to right hand side will be same. So this answer and this answer will be same. LHS equal to RHS. One of the sum I have proved 7th, first sum I have proved. You can proceed the second sum.